Today's topic is U.S. customary system, and we're going to use what's called unit multipliers. Our objective for today is that you will be able to convert between customary units of length. Such a question I want you to think about it during this lesson is how can you use fractions to convert between customary units of measurement. Now, the customary system is used as a basic unit of measurement only in the United States. These, we're talking about inches, feet, miles, and yards. Now, the length equivalents would be like 12 inches equals 1 foot, 3 feet equals 1 yard, 5,280 feet equals 1 mile, and in some instances it's nice to use 1,760 yards equals 1 mile. Now, unit multipliers are fractions that have a denominator with an equal value of its numerator. If you come down and you look, for example, on these multipliers, I have 12 inches on top and 1 foot underneath. They are equal in value because 12 inches is the same length as 1 foot. Now, I can turn this upside down or use what's called the reciprocal, and I can have 1 foot over 12 inches. Just like 1 yard over 3 feet, or its reciprocal of 3 feet over 1 yard. They're still equivalent. And the last one, 1 mile over 5,280 feet, or 5,280 feet over 1 mile. Now, we can use these multipliers to convert from one unit of measure to another. So we can go from inches to feet, feet to yards, yards to miles. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now let's take this for example. To convert 5 feet to inches. First thing, I would use one of two multipliers. Now the possibilities would be, obviously since we're going feet to inches, is 1 foot over 12 inches or 12 inches over 1 foot. Now what determines whether we use the multiplier on the left or the one on the right comes back up to our question. To convert feet to inches, since I am converting to inches, I want the multiplier with the inches on top in the numerator. So read the question, see what you're converting to, and that has to be the same measure in the numerator. Alright, now we have our problem set. I have 5 feet and I want to convert that to inches, so I'm multiplying that by 12 inches over 1 foot. Well, since I'm multiplying a whole number by, I need to turn that whole number into a fraction. So now I got 5 over 1. Now the standard multiplication of fractions, 5 times 12, 60, 1 times 1 equals 1. Now I know that 5 feet equals 60 inches. Let's take a look at this example. To convert 7 yards to feet, we could use one of the two multipliers. Once again, looking back up to the question, we can use the unit multiplier with a unit in the numerator being the unit you want to convert to. Well, we're wanting to convert to feet, so I'll come over here. The yards are on top, so I don't want to use this one. I want to use the one that says 3 feet on top, because that's what we're going to convert to. So now my problem is set up. I've got the 3 feet over 1 yard multiplied times 7. We're going to put 7 over 1. Well, now it's 21 over 1. So now we know 7 yards equals 21 feet. Now the nice thing about this strategy is it's the same whether you're going from a small unit to a large unit or a large unit to a smaller unit. You're not having to try to memorize whether you have to multiply or divide. You're just doing the same strategy each time. You're going to multiply it out and you're going to divide by the numerator, which in the last two cases have been 1. Now let's take this one for instance. Convert 36 inches to feet. Now first, let's take a look at this. There's 36 inches. We're wanting to convert to feet, so we used 1 foot over 12 inches. Now when we multiply it out, it's 36 feet over 12. Well, this is nothing more than an improper fraction, so it's a division problem. So we have 36 divided by 12, and we have 3 feet. Well, I hope this helps you. We're going to use the same strategy when we're doing the conversions in weight tomorrow. And then on Monday, we're also going to do them when we're doing for volume. Thank you.